Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. So today the Foodie box arrived and I am going to try the 3 new products that they launched in this box. They do have the new products available to sell individually. So if you like what you see, because I am going to try on some highlighter and some new lippies, I will leave my affiliate link in the description box. I do have a discount code. It is ChrisMo and it'll save you some bucks. Quickly before I begin, I do want to mention that if you are looking at this eye look and you're like, wait, didn't I just see that? I did just finish reviewing the Crayon Case blush binder. I did an entire face with this binder using this 7 different ways. So if you want to check out that video, you can click the link that's going to pop up above. Now this box retailed for $39 and it does come with 6 full-sized items. So I had to snatch this and it did sell out, which I'm not shocked to hear. Okay. Ooh. Alright, we have bubble wrap because we got to keep the baby safe. We got a lot of bubble wrap. So the first item is the Street Taco palette. Now I did a video for this already. I do like this palette. This palette is like a mini version to the taco palette that she first came out with. I have all of the Glamlite stuff in that corner. So I'm not going to open this up. I'm not going to keep a second one. This is going to go into your future giveaway. Next we have carne asada, which are taco lashes. I don't know if I have these. Let me check. No, I don't. I have camarones. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is the back. I'm actually wearing one of her lashes right now. These are the margarita pizza lashes. So, ooh. This is pretty. This is very, very cute. Look at these. I love the way it flares out. I'm really excited about this because I actually didn't realize I would get one that I didn't have. Next are the margarita lashes in Presidente. This is how it looks up close. I actually don't have these. I have the strawberry ones, so I'm definitely gonna keep this too. I love lashes and I definitely go through them because I use them constantly, so I'm excited. Yay, 2 things I don't have, which is kind of shocking because I have a lot of Glamlite products. I don't have everything. Working on that. So 2 lashes so far. I'm gonna be keeping Street Taco palette in a future giveaway. Now we have the new items. These are 2 brand new lip glosses and I cannot tell you how much I enjoy Glamlite lip gloss formula. I have every single one back there. Every single one. If you love lip glosses, then I would highly recommend trying theirs. You should also try the BH Cosmetics lip glosses. Ulta Beauty also has some really nice lip glosses. The Crayon Case has nice lip glosses. L'Amour Cosmetics has really nice lip glosses. Do we need like a lip gloss collection video? Maybe not. I don't know. Let me know down below if y'all want that. If y'all don't want that, that's okay. We have Agua Fresca and then we have Champurrado. Am I pronouncing that right? Can you tell I don't speak Spanish very well?
Champurrado.
That's what I said.
Champurrado.
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 If you are Spanish, please let me know if I was anywhere near close pronouncing this. I think it's champurrado. I might just cut that whole thing out. I don't even know. Let's open this up. We're gonna see the beautiful, the beautifulness that this is. Look, 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 look. Let me put my hand right here so you can get a good look. Ooh, there is some gold glitters in there, you guys. I'm excited. Okay, let's open up this one too. Agua Fresca. Okay. Ooh, ooh, she's cute. Look at this one. It has tiny little glitters in it. I am excited. Okay, we need to definitely put these on the lips. These are 0.16 fluid ounces each. They have a 12-month shelf life. They are made in the BRC. And do they contain talc or mica? Scanning, scanning. No talc or mica in this one. What about this one? No. Okay, guys, nothing on my lips, so we need to put something on. I'm going to start with Agua Fresca. We're going to open this up. There we go.
Agua Fresca.
Fresca. Is that better?
Yeah, fresca.
There we go. Woo! Oh goodness. Oh no. I hope you guys can see how reflective that is. I need to zoom y'all in. Hold on. I cannot get over how beautiful this looks. Look at that. Like, my lips look so juicy and so big. Oh god, I love her formula. It does it like her formula is just so spot on. It's not tacky. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off and we need to try on Champurrado. I'm definitely probably saying that wrong. Okay, we are ready. Here it is up close again. We're gonna open this up. Ooh, let me get closer. Ooh, very pretty. I like this one a lot, especially for like everyday kind of wear lip gloss. If you like to wear lip gloss every day, I'm with you on that. This is really nice. I like this one better than this one, and it's only because I can see myself wearing this every day. I feel like this one has a lot more shine than this one, and it's probably because of the tiny little specks in here. There's so many. Let me zoom you guys out really quick because we're a little too close to Chris. Okay, so the next product I am ridiculously hyped for. It is a highlighter. It is called the Concha Highlighter. This has a 24-month shelf life. Of course, this whole brand, by the way, is cruelty free. This is also vegan. Let's see. It is made of PRC. ¿Qué más? It does contain mica. I don't see talc. This is the packaging. So cute. You have gold all around. In the back, a bit of information, which is everything I kind of just read. All right. Ooh, this is how she looks. This is ever so cute, you guys. This is the back. Has the Glamlite logo. This is definitely lightweight. It doesn't feel super heavy. The component as well feels nice. It doesn't feel super cheap or anything like that, which is great. This by itself, by the way, costs $14. It's purple. I thought that this was more pink. Am I blind? On the site, it shows more purple. I don't know why I thought this was pink, but look at her. There is a mirror up top as well. Okay, let's just swatch this right now. That's really soft. That's nice. Woo! Okay. Only took a little bit. Oh, that's not bad for a little bit. Come on now. I didn't press hard at all. I mean, look. Look at the... Let's put this to the test. Here we go. Profusion brush. I'm not going to wet it. Nothing. I'm just going to go in right here. Go 1, 2. It's on the brush. I went in very light. Let's see what happens. Oh, where is it at? Okay. Okay, let me see. Ooh. Let's put a little more because I like to glow from the heavens. Oh, my Lord. Look how pretty that is. This is not powdery at all, you guys. It's nicely packed in here too. I know it looks purple in here, but I'm not really seeing purple on the cheeks. Even in the swatch, it looks more pink and white. This is so cute. I love that they finally made a compact size. Alright guys, well I'm all done for the day. As a recap, I got 2 lashes that I don't own, so I'm definitely going to keep. I got 2 new lip glosses that I really love. I got the Concha Highlighter. Love this so much. And then of course I did get the Street Taco palette, which of course I'm not going to keep and will be in a future giveaway. I hope you guys had a good time watching this video. I was a little bit hyped, so if I was a bit cuckoo bananas, sorry. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by as always. Have a great one and stay safe. Mwah. Bye.